So today in this video we will see how to make VegZingy Parcel at home. It is very easy to make at home and it also tastes better than the Dominos Zingy Parcel. I am sure you will love this recipe, so do try this recipe. So let's see how to make it. So now first of all take 1/4 cup of the hot water in a bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. Mix it until the sugar melts. And when the sugar melts, add 1 teaspoon of the active dry yeast. Now mix it and cover and rest it for 10 minutes till the yeast activates. Now you can see after 10 minutes the yeast has activated and a frothy texture has come on the top. So now add 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of the red chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of the oregano. You can use mixed herbs also. Now add 2 teaspoon of the oil. Now knead the dough. Knead a very soft dough like a chapati. Also add some water to knead the dough. So total here I have used 1/4 cup of the water. I forgot to add salt, so here I am adding salt. And now again knead it. And now grease it with some oil or butter if you like. And now cover the dough for 1 to 1.5 hours and keep it in a warm place. It also depends on the temperature where you are staying. And now we will make the paneer stuffing. So for that, take a pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of the oil and then add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute. And now add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. And then saute it till the onions become soft and translucent. And then add 2 tablespoons of the green capsicum. Mix it well for 1 or 2 minutes. And then add 1 teaspoon of the red chilli powder, half teaspoon of the oregano. Mix it again. And then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the tomato ketchup and 2 tablespoons of the mayonnaise. Mix it well. Now here I am adding the paneer cubes. I have added 100 grams of paneer. Now mix it again. And at last add salt as per your taste. So our paneer stuffing is ready, and now switch off the flame and keep it aside. So after 1.5 hours, you can see that the dough has doubled in size punch it and knead it again for 1 minute. And from this, make round shape balls like this. And now take a rolling board and now make a chapati with a rolling pin. Here I have made 4 big chapatis. If you want smaller size, then you can reduce the size of the chapati. And now brush some water in the middle and fold from 3 sides and give it a triangle shape. And roll it again. And now place some processed cheese in the middle. You can use mozzarella cheese also, and place some paneer stuffing in middle, and then again the processed cheese. Now bring the corners together and seal it with some water. Now transfer the parcel into a baking tray. Now again repeat the same process. Make the chapati. Brush it with some water. Make it a triangle shape. Roll it again. Now put some processed cheese, paneer stuffing, and then again the cheese. Bring the corners together and again seal it with some water. Make sure that you seal it very properly, otherwise it may get open while baking. Now brush it with some milk. You can use melted butter also to get a nice color on the top. And now again rest it for another 30 minutes. Now bake them in a microwave in a convection mode at 170 degree for 10 to 15 minutes. You can bake them in a kadai also. Now after 15 minutes you can see that the parcels have been perfectly baked. Now brush them with some melted butter. It will become soft. And lastly, sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. So our homemade zingy parcels are ready. I am going to open it and show it to you how it looks like from inside. The bread is also very soft. So do try this recipe. I am sure that you will love it. So if you like my video, then share it with your family and friends. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.